Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. You are going to write the exam in the coming days. So this revision assignment is going to help you out for preparation for your exam. So shall begin the assignment for you. This is lesson 1, the imaginary lines. So the whole lesson we have converted into choose the correct answer. It's a multiple choice questions or MCQs you can call it. So I'm going to read it, and when I'm going to read for you, make sure that you are answering before me from your end. International date line follows the Mediterranean of dash down the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Let me read again. International date line follows the Mediterranean of dash down the middle of the Pacific Ocean. International date line is a longitude, right? And international date line is 180-degree longitude, whereas prime meridian is 0-degree longitude. Let's see whether we can find 180-degree longitude. 180 degree in the first option only I am able to find. So 1 is the answer. Clear? Let's go for the next one. The countries to the dash of the prime meridian will face the sun first. The countries to the dash of prime meridian will face the sun first. If this is the globe and this divides the prime meridian, what is the question they are asking? The countries to the dash of the prime meridian will face the sun first. East. This is how the sun rises. This is the east and this is west, right? North, south. So, dash of the east of the prime meridian. So, the answer is east. 2 is the answer. Clear? That faces the sun first. Let's go for the next one. Caroline Island in the easternmost part of the international date line in the central Pacific Ocean of, it is in Kiribati. Okay, so let's see whether we can find Alaska, Attu Island, Serbia and Kiribati. So the answer is 4. 4 is the answer. What is international date line? It helps you to identify the different time zones of the whole world. Okay. Now coming to the fourth one, the art of making or drawing maps is called, the art of making maps is called cartography. So cartography, 1 is the answer. The network of latitudes and longitudes intersecting each other is known as, the network of latitudes and longitudes is a grid system. If they ask you the intersection of latitudes and longitudes, then you have to go for the grid. But when they are talking about the network, so many latitudes and longitudes, okay. So square, grid and grid system. So 3 is the answer. Let's go for the 6th one. The easternmost country dash faces the sun first and dash faces it last. So which is the eastern part of the country which faces the sun first, and which is the westernmost part of the country which faces the sunset last. So sun rises in Japan and sunset last in America, right? So let's see Japan and America. So the 1 is the answer. Clear, children? Red color attributes to the depict landform. Red color attributes to depict dash landform. So you have different colors to identify the landforms, your physical features in your map. So red color indicates plateaus, okay, your plateau. 1 is the answer again. Horizontal mapping lines on earth are lines of dash. Horizontal mapping lines on the earth are lines of dash. Horizontal is latitude, okay, horizontal is also called as latitude. And latitude is also called as parallels and small circles also. Let's see what is the answer for here. Latitude, this is the answer. We have longitude, we have parallels also. So both latitudes and parallels are the answer. So here 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Next, go for the 9th one. The dash is the ratio between 2 points on the ground and their corresponding distance on the map. So listen carefully. The dash is a ratio between 2 points on the ground and the corresponding distance on the map. This is nothing but the scale. How the scale is measured on the map as well as in the ground. The 2 points which locates on the map as well as on the ground. So The scale is a ratio between the two corresponding points on the ground and corresponding on the land surface also. Map, direction, scale. So the answer is 3, scale. 10th one, the prime meridian is a geographical reference line that passes through the Royal Observatory, Greenwich in dash in London. So where is Royal Observatory? Royal Observatory, it is in London, which is in England. Okay, so Bristol, Newcastle, Manchester, these all are in England places only, all famous. So the Greenwich meridian passes in London. So 4 is the answer. Okay. With this, we have concluded the revision assignment, children. So make sure that you are reading your textbook thoroughly and prepare for your examination. Thank you, children.